The Country Garden, 5-star living for you. In 1992, the Country Garden was born in Shenda, Guangdong Province, China. For more than 20 years, it has always been active in contributing to the new urbanization of the countryside. It is sparing no effort to make each of its projects a model of decent human dwellings. Since the beginning, it has been keeping pace with the advanced lifestyle in the world. In 2006, the Country Garden became one of the 2 earliest well-known trademarks in China's real estate industry. In 2007, it was listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. In 2011, it was also listed among Forbes Asia's top 30 Asia-Pacific listed companies. Over the years, its compound growth rate, prime operating revenue, and net profit has reached 50%, retaining its position as one of the top 10 real estate developers in China. As one of the largest real estate developers in mainland China, the Country Garden covers over 100 cities in China. At the same time, it is also developing the overseas market, including Malaysia, Australia, and so on, aiming at bringing a brand new living concept and style to the world. The Country Garden insists on the mode of fast development, fast sales, and carries out a positive management of high efficiency. To ensure high efficiency, the Country Garden has not only over 1,500 designers, but also various professional teams specializing in architecture, landscaping, marketing, hotel management, property management, and so on. The Country Garden always starts its project plan as early as before the land is purchased, so that the development can be carried out at first hand. Usually, the demonstration zone on the site is finished in a relatively short time, covering the lake, the landscape, the commercial set, the club, and the sample unit. In this way, customers are able to preview life in the garden. The high efficiency of the Country Garden results in a perfect presentation and a high cost performance, making the brand popular among clients all over the world. At the same time, the Country Garden also pays attention to the protection of the environment. The Country Garden provides a good property service for its customers too, trying to create a decent and pleasant living environment. At the moment, it provides a good living service for over 500,000 households, over 50,000 direct work opportunities for new communities, and over 200,000 indirect work opportunities as well. The Country Garden is trying to realize the 5-star living dream for more and more people.
希望对个人的存在，对个人的努力，对社会的进步有所帮助，让更多的人住上更好的房子，得到更好的服务。